If you want to make passive income online, then you will come on the right place. But before start the video, please stay with us. Welcome back to my channel, which name is Freedom of Life. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my channel because subscribing to your channel build trust in me, which is why I try to give you the best information fully friendly supported. So stay with us. Before start the video, please subscribe to my channel, because I upload every day money related video on this YouTube channel. First you need to open your browser and simply search Redbubble. Okay, wait. You simply search Redbubble because this is a website. I will tell you in this video how you can generate $200 per day strategy with the help of this website. But before open the website, I want to show you the some of the traffic result of this website, how much monthly visitor on this website, and how you can make passive income online with the help of this website. Okay, you simply see the traffic of the website is around 28 million total visitor per monthly, and the top country visitor is United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, France. All the five countries best for the traffic. Okay, now move on the step. You will simply click on the Redbubble website. After clicking the Redbubble site, I have a login. If you have a not account, then please make account on Redbubble. After sign up and log into account, you just simply come on Redbubble and click right corner, right top of the corner on your profile, add a new work, and upload new work, because this is a strategy. Redbubble is a platform where it's a print on demand website where you come on the website and sell your design. You make like masks, clothing, walla, t-shirt, everything. Okay, if you have a work, then upload it. But if you are not work, then simply come on canva.com. Canva.com is a platform where you can make a hundred of designs with free tools. I just create a design already. You can make it, but I have tell you something. You don't copy and paste any work, because if you use any other person work, then Redbubble don't publish your work. If you publish the work, then Redbubble is remove your work. After coming on Canva, then simply click okay, it's loaded. You simply create design and customize size 1800 by 1800 pixel and create design. I have designed this picture already. It's good girls gone bad. I just create this design, simply design, because I am show you, but only just show you you can make a beautiful design for yourself to show your professionally and creativity. Okay, after creating the picture, your design, you simply download it your computer and simply click come on the website Redbubble and upload new work. When you upload a new work, a new window on open. It's loaded. Okay, the window is open. You will simply upload a work that you created in your Canva account. Here is my work. I just upload it. Okay, here is uploaded. Okay, after uploading your picture on the Redbubble, your design on the Redbubble, you need to write a awesome title, tags, and description. Why you need to title is a most an attractive way, your custom attractive with the title of your picture. Okay, I just put uh, title. I also write a title, tags, and description. I am show you. Wait, Create. Okay, you can simply write a title is I know, I know the nature. I love the nature of girls. I love the nature. I love the nature of the girl. The girl. You can write anything you need. How do you think? Okay. And after write a title, you just simply come on a tags option. Why you need to upload a tag? Tag is a best way to show your design on Redbubble to the top of the list. Okay, for example, I just create a t-shirt. I simply put here t-shirt and use comma. After t-shirt I put girl because I use a design on girl pattern. Okay, okay, here's motivational pattern girls. I love the nature of girls. Okay, girl. Okay, after creating the tag you move on the next tab is description. I know those girls are so beautiful but the nature is always changed day by day. It's just an example. You can write anything you want, anything you like. After uploading your picture, after creating title tags and description, you will simply scroll down and move a step. Okay, look at this style. If you want to change anything else, then simply click on edit. You can easily size decrease and size increase, and your adjustment. I just like the adjustment here, and apply changes. Okay, in this video we will make only a t-shirt. That's a way we will enable any others designs like stickers, phone case, anything like palo, phone wallet, because I want to sell only t-shirt, not anything else. Okay, after that what will you do? You will simply come on down and please select media, because when you upload your work the Redbubble show your design on keyword. Just simply click media, photographic and design registration. Okay, scroll down, default product in your shop. You just simply click t-shirt. Is there mutual contact? No, no, it's not a mutual contact and always public. I have the right to sell, means I create the picture, I create the design and upload on Redbubble. It's my own work. I don't copyright any work. Okay, after that you will simply click on save work. When your work is uploaded and saved and the process is completed, your work will be published after 15 minutes in your Redbubble store. Okay, it's uploaded. It's uploaded. Okay, look. This is a very simple method. If you want to make passive income online, like $200, $300, $500, even $1,000 per day without any investment, you don't need any investment. Okay, look at your design. Here the awesome design of t-shirt. I love the nature of girl. I know that these girls are so beautiful, but the nature is always changed by day by day. Okay, look at this awesome. I love this active t-shirt design. Okay, here is the method. You just click on the Redbubble website, create an account, upload your work, and edit some of the feature you want to change. And now the question is how you can make passive income online with Redbubble. Why people and how people can buy your product. Okay, I am show you the best traffic website. You simply put your product like this t-shirt. You simply put your work on the website and make a passive income. But before show your website, I am tell you the traffic of this website. Okay, the website is simply uh, Instagram. We use this website Instagram, and I am show you the traffic. The total visitor of Instagram monthly is 6.21 billion. It's a huge traffic. Scroll down and see the top countries of this traffic is United States 18%. Okay, after watching this, you simply click on Instagram. If you have an account, then please log in your Instagram account, but if you have a not account on Instagram, then please make your account. And after making your account on Instagram, you need to make your account with the same of your product. Like we just want to create an account on Redbubble, and I want to sell a t-shirt. That's why I make a t-shirt account. After creating your account, simply simply change your profile and write a awesome bio in your Instagram, and simply search t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Look, t-shirt corner. Here's the awesome t-shirt example. A t-shirt. What will you do? After creating the account, you simply post 10 to 5 posts in the beginning of your account. You simply create an account and post on Instagram and write, hey, if you like the t-shirt, then please contact me, or if you like the t-shirt, then please check out the link in my bio. And here, after and here, put some awesome Instagram hashtag which increase the chance to view your post on Instagram. Okay, after that, what will you do? You will simply follow this and come on the followers. Come on the follower. Just follow all the people. You follow. What is the advantage? The advantage is the followers of this profile will follow you, and your Instagram profile is growth. When your Instagram profile is growth, the people see you will create a awesome t-shirt design, and they want to buy a t-shirt design. When they click on some of your design and want to get this like this t-shirt, when someone want to uh, get this awesome t-shirt with you, then they will come on your click on your bio link, and they will directly redirect to your website on Redbubble. When they will come on Redbubble, they will simply click here. Okay, they will simply click here and buy your product. Look, buy your product is $20. If you buy your product, the product value is $20. Means if your Instagram followers growth is 10,500, even 1,500, 2,000, 10,000, 20,000, means if only 10 people buy your t-shirt, look, if only 10 people buy your t-shirt, mean you make 2,000. Okay, wait. If 10 people buy your $20 product, mean you make $200 per day and make around $6,000 per month. It's a very simple work. You simply create account on Redbubble. After creating the Redbubble account, simply put your design on Redbubble and promote this Redbubble t-shirt design with the help of Instagram. Grow your Instagram profile and post on Instagram. So here is the method I use to make passive income. If you love the video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, today in this video I'm gonna show you a clear method to use this method to make you passive income. You need you don't need any investment, you don't need any huge work, huge time. You just need 20 minutes per day to make a passive income online. Please subscribe to my channel, because subscribing to your channel build trust in me, which is why I try to give you the best information and fully friendly supportive. Hope, goodbye, thank you.